going around doing the litter pick. Honestly, guys, you couldn't walk with us anywhere. Every 5 minutes we stop, but it's important. So we were just looking over here. We thought a new badger set, badgers were moving in, and just as we saw that, we saw all this sort of white muck here on the stick. The whitewash. Now this is very distinctive of a barn owl. Now you look at her and you can sort of see it perched, and you think, oh yeah, it probably sits here. Oh, there we go, a nest. So we don't know if that will be related to the barn owl, but certainly look over here. Now, you can clearly see the sort of signs. Go for it, Lim.
So, okay. So what we've got a lot of small fine bones in here. Quite a lot of beetle carapace as well. So what we're going to look for, might as well use our hands.
Why not? It's only lunchtime after this, isn't it?
I've got my knife on me.
Well, what we've definitely got here is a pellet. Now, we may actually just take this back to the lab.
Going to take it back to
the lab, break it down and try and kind of work out what small mammals and insects that they're eating. Now, Liam here has just found...
I don't know if you can see it's a vertebra.
Hang on there, Stove, hold. Okay.
So
yeah.
That's a small little rodent vertebra, but this is what you really want to be looking for, is small jaw bones. So how you can tell is usually by the teeth, which we'll get out in a second. It's a pity we can't wash it off out here. But if you bear with me a second, because I'm...
And pause. Alright.
So, when you take a hand lens and you look at the lower jaw, the teeth, it's so small, we can't really see it properly, but the teeth have a distinctive zigzag shape, so they look like a molar with triangular shapes coming out of them, really. And that's very distinctive of voles. Voles also don't have as much yellow or orange on the front of their teeth as rats and mice. So we know they're eating vole. I would guess a field vole out here. There's no real
maybe bank vole, maybe, or water. Could be, but I doubt it.
Might be. We're not sure what type of vole it is, but we do know it's a vole. So that's quite interesting. So we know they're eating voles, which really with owls is their number one preference. Can't really see much else. I mean, we've got little femurs here, but what I did see earlier was all of this. So this is much larger. So this looks like it's caught a rat, probably a brown rat. But yeah, eating a lot of insects. I mean, it's absolutely coated in beetle carapaces.
Now, what's also good to mention is that if you're finding so much bone fragments from their food, then that indicates to you that actually you've got a really healthy site. If you've got owls in there, then it means you've got a lot of small mammals in here, and there's plenty to eat, which means that this ecosystem is a healthy one as such. But we'll take this out. We'll take this back to the lab, break it up, have it with our lunch, and let you know what we find.